In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your browser is currently not supported error while trying to log into your Twitch account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are encountering this error on your Twitch, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you're using a browser, you can try and log into your Twitch account using a different browser. If you're on Chrome, you can try and do so on Brave or even Firefox. But should this fail on any other browser? However, if it didn't work even after changing your browser, then you may want to download your Twitch app through Google Play Store or App Store and now try to log in using your Twitch app. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, should you still experience any challenge on this, then most likely Twitch might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes and see if this works. But should this not still work, then most likely check if you are using any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your phone, and install the security app or VPN app before you can use your Twitch app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.